morning, everyone. It is a Friday afternoon / morning right now. I have a half day off from school, just at work today, so I'm picking up my spare front bumper today, actually. I'm not keeping it, I'm just literally borrowing it for like a week. I have to drive like 35 minutes all the way just to get it. I'm literally just on the highway right now, on my way to pick it up. Yeah, I don't know the condition of the bumper, honestly, like it doesn't matter as long as I have a different bumper, but yeah guys, just gonna, you know, pick it up and then give Jose the lip, the grill, and the fog light bezels that I talked about in my previous video. He's gonna start painting that this weekend, and yeah guys, front end's getting a little bit of TLC. So I don't know, I was just watching some like old YouTube videos last night. I was actually watching like Dustin Williams old YouTube videos because I watch them here and there. I watched one of his old videos. It was basically like his 5,000 subscriber like thank you video, whatever. It took him 3 years, guys. 3 years to get 5,000 subscribers, and look where he's at right now. I don't know, that kind of gave me like a lot of motivation to like try to take my YouTube channel more seriously, and just because the growth is like slow and it's, you know, not what I'd want, because I've just been kind of not like slacking, but the effort hasn't been there like it used to be. It really just motivated me to start pushing out more quality videos, like more that are more entertaining, that, you know, make more sense, and I don't know, it just gave me some motivation. I really hope that this car season will, you know, help me with that. And yeah guys, I just want to thank everyone who likes, comments, subscribes, just interacts with my channel like at all. Really appreciate it. I hope you guys are as excited as I am for the speed, what's to come next, because it's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be crazy. All right boys, so we just got home. Here's the bumper. Honestly, it's not too bad. Like, it's got a splitter on it, which is, you know, it's all right for what it is, but we're gonna swap the bumper right now and get her going. Let's get this show on the road. Alright, so we got the car all jacked up right now. First things first, I'm going to take off my front lip so it's easier to access. And then we'll take off the bumper, swap the spare one on now. We got the front lip off, just literally need a zip tie now. And then we will take off the bumper. Okay. Yep. This thing's all fucked up. Goddamn. Front bumper is off. Man, that thing looks so naked without a front lip. Yeah, so here's the damage on the front lip, just like completely cracked. Like, and look at me. Oh my god, just guys, don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Update, I got the fog light bezels out. That was a bitch. Literally, it's just a couple clips all around here. I was having a pain in the ass. So this bottom one, it'll give you a very hard time, but it'll eventually come out. So here they are. I got everything off. As you can see, guys, under my fog light bezels with all the plastic dip. Yeah, let's just say I tried something and it didn't work, so I plastered over it. Man, that grill, fuck you, grill. You were the biggest pain in my ass. No joke, that was retarded. I got the lip off. I may even paint my front canards, I'm not sure, just get rid of the chrome hardware, but we'll see. But here's how the car's looking right now. I apologize if there's any wind noise. Yeah, you know, it'll do. I have a lot more ground clearance now. Like, look at this. Before I only had my fist, now I have like bare ground clearance, which is cool, but it looks so boring. But you know, it is what it is. At least the bumper's red. Yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow when I give Jose all the shit.
The next day.
Oh my God, guys. My brakes, my rear brakes are fucked. Like, they're done, okay? So I just found out this morning that my rear calipers are probably completely seized. Rear pads and rotors are wearing like completely uneven. So the rear passenger side, it is literally metal on metal right now. Like, as we speak, it is metal on metal. Like, it's just grinding. Here, let me see if I can get it right now. Well, I'm about to stop. Hold on. You guys hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is pretty bad. Like, no, it's not. It is bad. Like, I was gonna replace everything regardless, but now I need new rotors for the rear. Well, hopefully I can find a used set for cheap. And then, fuck. New rotors. I mean, I was already gonna get the rotors. Then new pads, because the pads are fucking done. So I need pads as well. Shit, man. That's how my day is going right now. I gave Jose the grill and all that shit this morning. He's gonna start painting that this weekend. Yeah, I'll show you guys like the brakes when I get home. Like, they're bad. Like, it's embarrassing how much noise they make. Oh my God. And like, I'm just so pressed for time. Like, fuck, man. Like, I really don't have time this weekend to replace it, let alone find like a new rotor for the rears. And then fuck, shit. Well, that's kind of what's happening right now, I'll be honest with you guys. I actually just dropped off a lawnmower. Funny enough, I dropped off my grandpa's lawnmower. Man, this thing is like the ultimate daily, man. Just hauling shit every day, all day, man. Wait, let's hear it. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Imagine I'm taking out a girl, right? And she hears this shit. She's gonna be thinking like, yo, this guy has no money to replace his brakes. Like, it's that bad? Like, this is so embarrassing. I could not take a girl out with my car sentiment like this, like straight up. This is so bad. Last night when I was coming home from work, like, God freaking damn. Wait. I'm pretty sure I hear it making noise right now. Bro, I can hear it right now. This is fucked. Okay, so this is the rear driver's side. I mean, yeah, these rotors are definitely cooked. I mean, look at all the scratching and shit. It's kind of hard to show the pad, but whatever. But when you look at this side, yeah. Yep. Straight metal on metal. What the fuck? Oh my God, that is so bad. That is really bad. Oh my God. I want let this thing fucking focus. What can you do, man? What can you do? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I gotta get this situated ASAP. Fuck, that is unfortunate, but whatever. But anyways, guys, next video, I always say I'm not sure because I'm never sure, but just stay tuned. Car's gonna look sick. We're gonna get all the issues situated, make the car sick and whatnot, and then we'll go on from there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay consistent. Peace.